The AfriLit podcast shares the stories of multifaceted Africans, one episode at a time. The podcast aims to uncover the untold stories of modern and millennial Africans who are based in various parts of the world. Each episode gives listeners an opportunity to learn and experience conversations that showcase who they are and their global perspectives in our ever-changing world. Be sure to listen and subscribe to the AfriLit podcast on Spotify or wherever you listen to your favorite podcast. You can also follow at AfriLit Podcast on all social media platforms.
You're listening to the news at this hour on Africa Business Radio. The World Health Organization has warned that Africa cannot afford a second wave of COVID-19, saying it would be devastating, especially to the economy. The warning comes as infections are continuing to spike in many countries that have recently been easing restrictions. The health body says the virus will run out of control in African countries, continued opening up without adequate interventions in place. WHO Regional Director for Africa, Matshidiso Moeti, also said measures are in place to ensure the continent gets its fair share of any vaccine developed. It also warned of a return of lockdowns which the continent cannot afford. That was the news at this time on Africa Business Radio. You can continue to listen live online at www.africabusinessradio.com or via our mobile app. I'm Bimbola Awuyeli. Thanks for listening.